Hello traders, in this video we're taking a closer look at the Forex Atron Indicator for MT4. We'll cover how its trading channel and signal dots appear on the chart, what the red and blue bands imply about scalp trend direction, and how traders use it to time entries in volatile markets. At this point I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Alright, so there we have it. The Forex Atron Indicator plots two dynamic bands directly on the main price chart, a red upper band and a blue lower band that form a trading channel around price. Within this channel, the indicator also prints colored dots, typically orange near the lower band and magenta near the upper band, to mark potential buy and sell zones according to its scalping logic. When both bands are sloping upward, the scalp trend is considered up. Orange dots near the lower blue band in this context visually imply potential buy zones within an overall bullish move. When both bands are sloping downwards, the scalp trend is considered down. Magenta dots near the upper red band visually imply potential sell zones within an overall bearish move. By watching how price interacts with the channel and where the dots appear relative to the bands, traders can quickly see where the indicator considers the market to be stretched within its current short-term trend. As for the indicator settings, let's see what we have. Okay, so alert controls allow traders to enable or disable alerts when new orange or magenta dots appear, so they can be notified of potential signals without monitoring every tick. Alright, display options manage how prominently the red and blue bands and the signal dots appear on the chart, ensuring the channel and signals are clear but not overwhelming. So time frame flexibility, while often used on 1 minute and 5 minute charts during the London and New York sessions, the indicator can be applied to other pairs and time frames as traders experiment with its behavior. So who is it for? The Forex Atron Indicator is designed for scalpers and short-term traders who want a visually intuitive channel system with clear buy and sell dots around a dynamic band structure. It can be particularly attractive to traders who like to buy near the lower edge and sell near the upper edge of a trend-aligned channel while keeping chart space relatively uncluttered. Atron is a manual trading indicator only and does not execute or manage trades. All entries, exits, and risk decisions are still made by the trader. As with any channel-based scalping tool, signals can be less reliable in very choppy or low liquidity markets, and because it is a lagging volatility sensitive indicator, some moves will develop before signals fully confirm, so it should always be combined with proper risk management and realistic expectations. The download link for the Forex Atron Indicator for MT4 is in the description below. You can read the full article and see example charts on the Forex Geek website. If you'd like more walkthroughs of channel-based scalping indicators, remember to subscribe and turn on notifications.